Mag-book naman tayo ngayon sa Traveloka. Pindutin natin ang multi-city from Manila going to Hong Kong. Select December 1. Second flight is from Hong Kong going to Israel. The date is December 4. Third flight, Israel, Jordan going to Petra. The date is December 5. Next fourth flight, Petra going to Hong Kong. December 7. Our fifth flight is Hong Kong going back to Manila. December 9. One passenger business flight. Manila to Hong Kong, 26,878 pesos per pax. Total price is 61,984.98 per pax. Scroll lang and check natin kung tama na ba. Total price for one person, 311,565.94 pesos. Lagay lang natin yung info natin. Miss Reynalyn Campomanes. Birth date is December 9, 1992. Nationality, Philippines. Lagay din natin yung contact details natin. Dito makikita natin yung price details natin at ang total na babayaran. Next naman, hotel, 1 room, 1 adult. Holiday Inn Express Hotel, 15,711.78 pesos. In October 29, check out October 30. Total price is 16,835.80 pesos. Standard room, free breakfast.